Putin, you don't dey frustrate children of God when not do anything. Don't dey frustrate Eukarya because you see say you feel beat them. Lest you forget. Go back, go trace history. How it started. Go ask King Pharaoh. Or you ask Nebuchadnezzar how you take chop grass. This time around, your own case. You go die alive, then rot. Be warned. Leave Eukarya, make Eukarya leave you. Leave children of God, you say no. Your own time. They don't they want you now, they give you sanctions. You no want to take. You no want stop this your actions. No worry. Your own time. Go better. May you die. Than what you go see. I don't they want you. Leave children of God, leave children of God. Stay, you say no.